In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about PPE, or personal protective equipment. We'll cover different types of PPE, why it's so important, and how it keeps you safe at the workplace. Whether you're in construction, manufacturing, healthcare, or any high-risk environment, understanding and using PPE properly is essential to keeping you safe. So let's dive in. First, what exactly is PPE? PPE stands for Personal Protective Equipment, and it includes any kind of protective gear designed to safeguard you from hazards on the job. This could include physical dangers, like falling objects, or health risk, like harmful chemicals or biological agents. Common examples of PPE include hard hats, safety glasses, gloves, hearing protection, foot protection like steel-toed boots, and respirators. Each piece of equipment is designed to protect a specific part of the body from potential hazards. So choosing the right PPE for the job is critical. Now, why is PPE so important? Accidents can happen at the workplace, at any workplace, and PPE is the last line of defense. Even when safety protocols and procedures are in place, hazards like falling objects, chemical spills, loud noises can still pose a risk. Wearing the proper PPE greatly reduces the chance of injury, and it even saves lives. Another key piece of PPE is high visibility clothing. Like a safety vest, it is designed to make sure you're seen by others, especially in busy environments where vehicles or heavy machinery are in use. Reduce the risk of being struck by moving objects. And don't forget your gloves. There are many different types of gloves, each protecting against special hazards, whether it's sharp objects, chemicals, or heat. Choose the right type of glove that is essential to keeping your hands safe on the job. Hearing protection like earplugs or earmuffs is vital if you work around loud machinery or equipment. Long-term exposure to high noise levels can lead to hearing loss, which is permanent and irreversible. With proper hearing protection, you can avoid this entirely. Finally, let's talk about respiratory protection. Masks and respirators prevent you from breathing harmful dust, fumes, and other contaminants. In environments with poor ventilation or exposure to chemicals, a respirator can literally save your life. But remember, PPE is only effective if you use it correctly. That means selecting the right equipment, ensuring it fits properly, and keeping it in good condition. Your employer should provide the PPE you need, but it's up to you to wear it every time you're exposed to a potential hazard. In summary, PPE is your personal shield against workplace hazards. Whether it's protecting your head, eyes, hands, ears, or lungs, the right PPE can prevent injuries and even save lives. So always be sure to wear your PPE, follow your safety training, and report any damage or missing equipment to your supervisor immediately. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, safety is in your hands. PPE is here to protect you, so use it, wear it properly, and stay safe at work. If you would like more information about free safety videos like this one, sign up for a free membership at BusyBoyProductions.com. We offer custom safety training videos for those companies looking for personalized branded safety videos.